Hey everyone, in today's video I will discuss a very important topic that is zero trust approach to AI security. We know that we are living in a time where AI is changing everything from healthcare to banking and then all the way to national defense and critical infrastructure. Exciting, right? But there's the thing, as AI evolves, the risk evolves too. And that means cybersecurity has to be level up as well, right? AI brings amazing responsibilities, but it also opens the new doors for the attackers. Things like manipulating the data, stealing models, or misusing the AI through exposed APIs. So, the old way of thinking, that is, trust it because it's inside the network, just doesn't work anymore. Okay, so that's where something called zero trust comes in. So, now just to be clear that zero trust is not a product, it's a strategy, it's a mindset, and it's based on the very powerful idea that is never trust, always verify. So what does it mean in simple terms? Well, in zero trust model, no user, device, or any system or application get a free pass, whether they are inside the network or outside. Every single request to access something must be verified, authenticated, and continuously monitored. And when it comes to the AI system, this is super important because AI data models, APIs, and the cloud environments, all these are very high value targets for the attackers. So let's break it down step by step how AI zero trust can help to secure the AI infrastructure. Okay. First, let's talk about the data because AI is only as good as the data is it learns from actually, correct? But attackers can launch something called data poisoning attacks. That is basically feeding some fake data into the system so that the AI learns the wrong patterns. So let's imagine in an AI system is used for the hiring the manpowers in an organization, and if it is trained with biased data, it might be start that rejecting the qualified candidates unfairly. So it's very scary, right? So absolutely. So zero trust helps us to here making sure that every data set should be checked and control who can upload or change the data or sanitize and keep the log for everything. So only people who needs the actual access to get in and only as much as they need. That's called least privileged access. Okay. Now let's talk about the AI models. So these models like is the brains of that AI system. Companies invest a huge amount of money and also time, but to building these systems, AI models. And if a hacker steals or tampers that models, that could be a massive loss for that organization, both in business and for the trust. So with zero trust, we treat this model like gold actually. So we need to segment the access, use strong authentication mechanism, and monitor the users continuously, even for people inside the organization. Okay. So no one should access or modify the model unless they are authorized, and that authorization needs to be double checked always and constantly. So, mm, then zero trust is also crucial for securing that APIs and endpoints also. So we know that APIs are the doors for that people interact with the AI models and like asking a chatbot a question or sending the voice commands to the smart IoT devices. But not every door should be open always, all the time. So zero trust ensure that every API call is verified, authenticated, and accepted only from the trusted sources. So we use things like API gateways and identity aware proxies to control who's asking what and block everything suspicious. So one of the coolest thing about zero trust is it's not like set it and forget it. It means that we have to watch it all the time. Let's say your AI model suddenly starts making weird type of decisions, or it and being hit with hundreds of thousands of requests at midnight from an unusual IP address. That is red flag, right? So with tools like SIEM and SOAR, Zero Trust keeps an eye on everything and raises that alerts and some when something is not looks right. And every time it sends us alerts, generating alerts, and sends like a notification in our emails or SMS. So let's talk about that identity and access management. That is IAM. That is very crucial part of Zero Trust. In Zero Trust world, uh, it's providing who you are and that you really need the access you are requesting for. That thing is very critical, right? So we use things like multi-factor authentication, MFA, just-in-time access, and audit logs to track who did what and when. So only the right people get access to the right resources at the right time and for the right reasons. That's the main motto of Zero Trust. So Zero Trust is also required to secure our AI infrastructure as well. So AI runs on servers, networks, and on cloud systems. And if these are weak, then AI is exposed. Zero Trust makes sure that every system is up to date, every device is healthy and secure, and that entire network is properly segmented and to stop attacks from spreading or lateral movement of the attacks. Whether your AI is on premise or in cloud or hybrid, every connection should be verified before it's allowed. So, what's the key takeaway from this session? So, zero trust is not an optional anymore. It's an essential thing, and AI becomes more powerful as AI becomes more powerful and embedded into our everything. Like in all the devices are smart nowadays, smart systems, smart machines, smart TV, everything smart. So we need to be a smarter we need to choose smarter way to protect these devices or these models. So Zero Trust gives us granular control, full visibility, and the ability to adapt quickly to new threats. By adopting these mindsets, organizations can innovate confidently by knowing their AI models and their models are secure, ethical, and resilient. Okay, so let's conclude this session. Thanks for watching and stay secure. Bye.